Hey, do you want a job where you're always in demand? One that keeps people comfortable all year long? Ever thought about a career where you can start right after training, working hands-on with technology? Then listen up, because HVAC could be the career for you. Here at EOC Tech, we've got two awesome programs that can get you ready for a rewarding career in HVAC. Let's start with the Residential HVAC Installer program. This career major gives you a solid introduction to air conditioning and refrigeration, and we dive deep into the essentials you'll need, from fitting ducts to connecting electrical wiring and setting up basic refrigeration systems. You'll get hands-on experience and be ready to start up HVAC systems and install residential equipment. By the time you're done, you'll be skilled and ready to jump right into the workforce. Want to take it even further? Check out Residential HVAC Technician program. Here, you'll dive deeper into HVAC, learning safe work practices using personal protective equipment and handling pressurized fluids and hazardous materials. This program covers everything we need to know to service and test air conditioning systems professionally. From handling power tools to safely managing substances, you'll gain skills that make you a valuable asset in the industry. Both programs at EOC Tech give you the training to become either an HVAC installer or technician, and set you on the path to a career that's in high demand. If you're ready to take control of your future, come check out EOC. Visit our website or stop by to see what we're all about. We're excited to help you kickstart your career in HVAC. Don't wait. Your future is waiting right here at EOC Tech.